Hi, welcome to Power Emotion YouTube channel. Today's this video I want to talk about heated glove accessory. We developed a heated glove. We also developed our own battery because our glove is actually a 12-volt heated glove, so it's compatible to most of the motor vehicle accessories, so you can actually plug it directly to some of the motor vehicle. What I like to do is kind of show you all the different accessory wire that we have that allow you to use it in a different way of connecting to our heated glove. This is one of the most popular one. It's a car charger, so you have the 12-volt socket cigarette lighter where you can plug that in, and then on this side is a Y connector, very much like our charger, and so basically you can plug it into our battery. So a car charger is a really nice accessory that you should consider. Take a look at that. This one is not a car charger, but it's an adapter. So on the one side you have the lighter socket, on the other side you have the 2.1 millimeter connector, and that basically allows you to connecting to the heated glove. The type of customer that I run into is bus driver. I also have pilot flying in a cold winter day, and instead of running through the battery, you just basically plug in directly to the cigarette lighter. And then you can run your heated glove. And then the next one that I have is basically for motorcycle. So on this side, I have 3/8-inch eyelet, so then you can go into a standard terminal specifically for motorcycle. So you're just basically connecting directly to the battery terminal. And then here you have a blade fuse pocket, so you can put the fuse in there. And then down here you have the 2.1 millimeter connector that allow you to plug in directly to the glove. The next one that I have, we're really proud of this. Basically, we work with a snowmobile rider, and he explained it to us, the standard power outlet on a snowmobile RCA jack. So we manufacture this particular connector. So on one side, you have an RCA jack, and that basically plug into your snowmobile, and that's your power source. And then you have a Y connector. And so the Y connector is also a standard RCA jack female, and that basically connecting to your heated visor. And then on the other side, that basically plug into your heated glove 2.1 millimeter connector that connecting to the heated glove. And the next couple one is kind of very interesting. This one basically connecting to the 12-volt battery pack. So on the other side, you have the lighter socket. So what that means is you can run standard 12-volt auto accessory. So you may want to run a 12-volt fan, but we have customer, what they have done is they basically plug 2 battery, 3 battery, or 4 battery all together using a Y connector, connecting to this connector, and they actually plug into an inverter. So when you have an inverter, that means you can run anything that is 110 standard household plug. You're going to be running a 10-watt hardware. On the other side, this battery can capable handle about 23 to 25 watt. So if you have an inverter that is 10 watt, one battery will be able to do that. But if you're running something like a 50 watt, then you will need 2 battery, and then you can run anything on the other side, which is a 50 watt. Then the next one is kind of really unique. So basically you have the female connector, and that basically plug into your 12-volt battery pack. And then on the other side, you have the 5-volt USB output. If I have this conversion wire and I just basically use my heated glove battery pack, plugged it in, then I can charge my phone. So this is just another accessory that allowing people to work at outdoor and be able to use that 12-volt battery more than just heated glove. You can actually use it to charge your phone. And then the next accessory allow you to change the position of your battery. Occasionally, we have customer don't want to run the wire all the way to the inside clothing. For whatever reason, then you can use this sort of add-on accessory. It's fully adjustable. So right now, I'm strapping onto my forearm. I can actually raise even higher to my upper arm. And then the next one is just a basic extension wire. So we sell with 60 centimeter as well as 100 centimeter. And then the next one that we have is basically gender changer. Most people already have a Milwalkee jacket. They may want to use our battery pack. So then you can just basically plug our battery pack onto one side and then plug into the heated jacket on the other side. And then the next one is basically a two-way connector. So if you have the battery and then you plug it in so that it's split it in two-way. One other thing that people will use this kind of stuff is for other accessories. For example, we can run the heated glove as well as a bicycle light at the same time, and then have a wide split, and then so one go to the heated glove and the other one will go to the lighting system. Instead of a two-way, now we have a three-way. We also have a four-way wire as well too. You can just basically split the power and then run a different additional accessory that you needed that are 12-volt base. So that's it. That's all the accessory wire that we have for our heated glove. For more information, contact us info@powerandmotion.ca or visit our website powerandmotion.ca. Thank you.